you're sitting there reading Quran, you have the next bitch in the house. You fucking a bitch in our bed.
Gamba, we all know you're in love with Mickey. Now, Gamba, the next time you talk about Mickey, you're going to get blocked. Just Omukaza Gamba. Mwamuliro musajja
era
mbunga mugamba.
I will post the pictures. Thank you so much for subscribing. I will post the videos and everything. Recorded me when I had no clothes on, or when I wasn't dressed appropriately.
Are we expecting you at the show or we're not?
I really wanted to come, but unfortunately, because I'm trying to take care of some things, I'm starting a new foundation.
Okay.
And inshallah, I'm trying to get some, I'm working on the sponsors for that, and have to do some financial things and stuff like that. So no, but like I said, I owe you guys a dinner.
Yeah, perfect. We can't wait. But now, Saidi.
And I watch your live every day.
Are you for real?
Just about every day.
I'm so sorry, I didn't know, but Amore is using my local language. I believe you don't get stuff, yeah?
It doesn't bother me. I don't mind.
Doesn't matter? Okay.
I can pick words a little bit here and there, though.
Oh, so that means you've been learning and stuff, right?
I have.
That's very sweet. All your tia.
Jendi.
Jolly. Wow, perfect. That's great. That's great.
I'm trying. Yeah. Even in the comments too, I could pick out words here and there, and I'm like, okay, this says. Yeah. I'm trying not to use the whole translating thing, but I'm catching on little by little.
That's great. That's great. Yeah, ever since you guys popped around, it's been long. We're missing you guys. I guess you're so busy. You're so busy and stuff.
You know how it is. Like you were saying earlier in your life, you were telling people, we're hustling, we're hustling, we're struggling, we're trying to reach goals.
I know.
It's just how it is.
And
so.
in Uganda, if you don't hustle and stuff, then it's bad for you. You have to be on the road 24/7. You have to be there. Yeah. You have to fight the battles every day. The more you sit, is the more you suffer, you guys.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
I
thank God. I thank God the two of you have kept on together. Amid whatever stuff people say, you bonded. You're strong. That's great of you. Yeah. I really want to thank you for being loyal to the main man. And thank you for always keeping up with him, advising him. We all need advisors. The main reason to why most of us fell from the cliffs was one, we didn't have advisors.
You are Arab. I'm not Arab. Oh God, it's really pitiful, all the lies you've been believing. I'm not Arab. I'm a proud American, African American, Turkish, Italian, Filipino woman. That's what I am. It's really fucked up when you have a baby with somebody or you plan to, and you lose your baby from the person that caused you to lose it. Yeah, I'm safe now. I'm healthy. Alhamdulillah. Why I need to be depressed? Why I need to be angry for? I'm alive and I'm breathing. And I'm safe.
201 mukungane. Bananga abali kumpi ne daire Uganda mumutaginge. Omukazi kyatukoleyo ku live ye. Banange. okimanyi nti nno omukazi ali mu kwogera ebintu she was abused this man sexually simana akolebwa atya ne bamwendako ne bamukuba mukwano live mpya alya yateta butesi atuwanda muliro mama daire Uganda oliwa eno nga kikutte omukyala nga ayokya agamba she regrets coming to Uganda yali mu toxic relationship bitya nga tomuwambu na mmere bibyo mwagala okunteekako omugambo gwonna guli mu live omwo mugende wa mukyala wa daire Uganda awanda muliro bwamuteeka mu green screen bwamugjamu bannange ate twatuuse tuki ekyo daire abali kumpi ne daire Uganda maswalira hawula twayokyeza dda omukazi ali yatusendebula ndabako Somali bagamba yes Ugandans are bad people bannange abana Kenya we banaabiraba nti n'abakyala bamwe temubawa mmere subhanallah ati kyali mu mazaalibwa naye tekingana kukola lugambo mukyala wa daire akumye live kikutte. Because Daily was jealous of Mickey, he was talking shit ku interviews. Hey, kumbe tulieyo bannange bamada mundekedde olugambo oba olugambo muli kwemu ku pesi ye munange njagala bakaddulu bale bakuno bonna bamada abaana ab'obuwala nga bwe tulusomba we banaatukunya emimwa mujje tubeere ku live mutuule akatebe Mickey kyakutwala maka ga daire luli eri bwe mwagenda okufumbaza ennabirabirawo kati omukazi wuuyo akuwolereza bitya nti daire yafuna ebbuba era kyekyamuwuttuza nti gwe yamuwuttuza Mickey gamba nti ye 1 kg simolo sirenda ngambye bannange temuntuuza mu bigambo omukazi wa daire ali eri byayogera omutwe gunnuma nkyali mu birthday mood. Are you? Go back to your country. I will marry Ugandan. You're not nice. You don't know how to peel matoke. Go back. Mbumkazi wa daile namugamba, why? How dare you? I come to your country without you having any money. Eh? Mumpulira. Mudaile namugamba, no, you're broke. Batoli bafalawo bakuno. Oyo tebamutuuza mu meeting. Omwana oyo owobuwala yajja tamanyi kyalumba eno Uganda there is sharing, that is one. Tolemezaamu bwe kiba kiwedde nga buli omu akwata agage kakati live okola zaaki omwana owobuwala toyina backup mukwano omwana owobuwala olina okubeerayo ne backup zo bwe kiba kiweddewo ng'obaka endala ebyo bye mbagamba temuwulira mbw I loved him because of his iman imani paka muggulu wane Uganda tebikola abaana bamuliira ddala ne bamuleke ne bakulekerawo n'obugumba ne babulya ne babukuba mu juice mu blender omwana owobuwala I love him because even when he didn't have money omuna Uganda wano nno nga atalina ssente yatafugika and it's very hard to defend bamada mpulira ennaku ku mutima kati daire nga bwe wali omulaba gwe twamusanga nga yeetikka bipapula gwe wali oyagala akola atya mbu yamuwuttulanga bitya ng'emmere ya lubatu bitya nga ate abaana kwe batadde omuwoomerwa munnange but it is okay when you move on toyogera nnyo you move on ogenda maama onaalemezaamu kwena ensi ejjudde abantu 1,500.
While you're sitting there reading Quran, you're not praying. He don't pray. You're not praying. You're not fasting. And you're beating your wife. So what good is you reciting Quran? Then he want to come on here and send me kittens or lions or whatever else. I don't need that shit. I don't need that. You sending me, I don't want gifts from people that you used. Because that's how you got that money. The money that you make are from you using people, using Quran to get money. You guys ain't noticed every time he talks about, every time somebody asks him where does he work, he don't answer and he'll just block you. Or if you ask him about me, he'll block you. I can't be, no. I've had enough. Enough is enough. Even the nicest people, even the people with the biggest hearts have their limits. Because I left and I came back, and I left and I came back, and I left and I came back over and over and over. I gave him a million chances to change. He threw out my wedding ring twice. He burned our marriage certificate. Like, there's so much shit that he's done that he won't admit to. How did I manage to leave? I left when he wasn't home. I packed my shit and I left. And everybody that's talking about money, I don't care. I didn't care about money. You know, the only thing that I only asked for basic thing. He didn't even give me my mahar yet. And wants to sit here and sleep around with random women and bring women in the house and cheat on me. He didn't even give me my mahar as a wife. I made everything so simple for him. Made everything so easy as a wife is supposed to in Islam. You're supposed to make things easy on your husband. I made everything so easy. I still have not even received my mahar, and I was pregnant with his child. Anybody that gives him, that he's going to be nice to you. He's going to befriend you. He's going to laugh. He's going to put on that fake smile and everything. Because that's how he gets his money. And I didn't want to be a part of that anymore. And that's what caused him to break my nose, because I didn't want to be a part of that anymore. I didn't want to be a part of it at all. I didn't want to be a part of that. I don't use people. I'm not that type of person. God knows. You're right. Yeah, he broke my nose. And that's why I said, if he wants to continue on this, trying to drag my name and whatever else, I will post the pictures. I will post the pictures. I will post the videos and everything. He's just trying to do me dirty right now, because he recorded me when I was in the privacy of our home, recorded me when I had no clothes on, or when I wasn't dressed appropriately, recorded me when I was, upset or mad, because he had every intention of using it later on. Absolutely. I'll never be ashamed to talk about my child. And he knew I had a child. I was an open book since day one. I will never be ashamed and embarrassed for having a child. My daughter is beautiful. She's successful. And I raised her as a single mother. I will never be embarrassed, or I will never be ashamed to talk about my child. Why I need to be ashamed? Why I need to be embarrassed? You know how much struggle, how much hard work it is to be a mother and to be a single mother? Yeah, I'm back in the States. I've been back in the States for 2 months now. My daughter is gorgeous. My daughter is beautiful. Why I need to be ashamed of my daughter? I raised her, my blood, sweat, and tears. I raised her by myself because I left her dad because he was just like Daly. I raised her by myself. By myself, and stayed by myself. No boyfriend, no fucking around, no sleeping around for years. Yeah, her dad was just like Daly. Yep.
Temunenya nnyo abantu bonna badeetinga abantu abava e Bulaaya nabo baagala kugenda Bulaaya bakufuna akasente kati oyo omuvubuka yali amanyi afunye omukazi ava mu Amerika agenda muteeka mu ssente oba si kyekyo mutwala mu Amerika kumba omuwala tagenda mutwala mu Amerika omuwala tagenda muwa ssente Daily ndowooza n'anyiiga oburasita mubumanyi tebusiba busungu mwamulabanganga ali ku Kurani Daily abeera ku Kurani obulago ne buzimba ng'obwenjiibwa wali enjiibwa z'ennamwezi muzijjukira Daily abeera ku live obulago ne buzimba ng'obwenjiibwa ng'asoma Kurani yadala idolala osobola omuntu azimba obulago ng'enjiibwa ayana obusungu obala jola ajirarirabi abirizirini wajirajarira obalira odanarira nze walowe namuyita aitawa kambo fransiza nnyo nakawuba yafaza oyo omuvubuka kati ekyokuba situwagira naye Daily aliko obusungu mmanyi omulabyeko ng'asoma ekitabo bw'akisoma akulakosi ukwenajaliya amarijada imingenaja mariya yacalacala alacala bibi ojala bibi wano wazimba.
To defend him, I was trying to fight for my marriage. Then he came on my live, trying to gift me, trying to say sorry. You guys did warn me. You did, but I was trying to be a good wife. I was trying to protect him. I was trying to defend him. I was trying to fight for my marriage.